Distance isn't the problem, response time is. In military bases, utilities, and major seaports, threats begin kilometers away. What matters is how fast you can confirm them. Today, we introduce ACTi A966, A967, A955, Z957, Q981, and A972, a 30x-60x PTZ extreme long-range solution designed to eliminate distance risk. ACTi's 30x-60x PTZ cameras are purpose-built for military perimeters, utilities, and large seaports. A single PTZ can monitor several kilometers, reducing camera count while enabling centralized command control. When alarms trigger, powerful optical zoom provides instant visual confirmation, clearly identifying people, vehicles, or false alarms, accelerating response decisions. AI-driven PTZ automatically locks onto moving targets, tracking vehicles or people at high speed and capturing the entire event without manual operation. With models like A972, 4K resolution delivers evidence-grade details such as license plates and container IDs. Optional zero-lux thermal imaging ensures visibility in darkness, fog, rain, or camouflage conditions. Multi-point automatic patrols allow one PTZ to cover multiple critical angles, eliminating blind zones while simplifying deployment. Compared with Axis, Hanwha, and Vivotek, ACTi delivers comparable or stronger PTZ, AI, 4K, and thermal capabilities at 30 to 50% lower total project cost. For military defense, critical utilities, and large seaports, distance should never slow decisions. Discover ACTi's 30x, 60x PTZ extreme long-range solutions and make every decision backed by clear visual evidence.